Hi, I'm Julie Schneider, and this is Tracy Berman. Today is June 6, 2012, and we're participating in AEL4 for our Nutrition Fitness class NFSS3.
NFSC 303.
Thank you.
Sure.
Anyhow, first question. Thinking about GE pathways, how does nutrition and fitness fit into the health and wellness pathway?
Poor nutrition and lack of physical fitness are two major risk factors for chronic disease in this country, and so it's a perfect fit for that pathway. We never really had to think about it, and it got in quite easily because of that. And so we teach the students in this class to make better nutritional choices, or how to do that, and to encourage them to adopt a lifelong habit of physical fitness.
Thank you. What about excuse me, student participation and how we might encourage student participation in the course, as well as what options we have for possible course redesign?
Well, one of the things that resounded with me over the last couple days was to give the students choices of learning methods, and that they have then the option of picking a learning method that allows them to be successful. And if they're picking a learning method that resonates with them and that they are able to do well, then they're more likely to be engaged and participate in the course. And so one of the things that we're going to be doing with the redesign is to not just allow them all to do the same project, but we'll give them options to choose from in terms of doing a project or a major project on physical activity or nutrition throughout the course of the semester.
And so the iPad influence on your workflow and mobile resources, how has it influenced you?
As of right now, I'm not quite sure how the iPad is going to fit into all this. One of the things, there's a couple websites that Julie showed me that give me really good up-to-date information on health and wellness and nutrition, and I could possibly pull articles from those websites into my class and have my students critique them, and so I plan on doing that. But I'm still not sure beyond that how I'll be using the iPad, or if I'll be using the iPad in the class itself. But maybe after the workshop this afternoon at 4 o'clock, I will have a better idea of that.
I've had a lot of fun with my iPad. What I've been doing in the past is using RSS feeds to incorporate current articles into the classroom. One of my goals when I teach a course called Basic Nutrition, NFSC 100, is to allow students to take the foundational knowledge of science and nutrition and see how they can use that to critically evaluate new information. Well, what's better than the most current new information out there and the latest fads and crazes and fears that we see in our media? So I use the RSS feeds that way. Also, I have started using items such as Evernote, where I can have notes every time I go out. So basically I'm trying to pull out the RAM from my own brain and leave my brain active and thinking about critical thinking and problem solving, and all those little things that pop in my head, I put on Evernote and I don't worry about it because I won't forget it. Thank you.
That's a really good idea. I may adopt that.